everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this session I will explain you SQL practical interview question and answer. So this session I have conducted for the fresher up to 2 years candidate, experienced candidate. So this is a part 3 and in a previous the session I will explain you the question number 3. So find the second highest salary. So in this session I will explain you to find the second highest salary from the employer table, and in this the session I will explain you about the method number 3, so using the Windows function and CTE. So basically, if you the fresher and if you are know about the Windows function, what are the different Windows function and CTE. So in this session, you will understand all the detail. I will show you the demo session. And if you are the 2 years experience and you want to only for the looking for the query for the after the second part. So without further delay, we'll start our session. This is the question. So question number 3. So we need to find the second highest salary. So from the employer table. So basically, this is the employer table, and if I arrange this data in a the descending order, so second highest salary will be the this employee ID 3, and salary will be 1,50,000. Okay, so basically we need to find the solution. So in the question ask that we need to find the second highest salary. So I put basically in this session I will explain you the method number 3 using the city and Windows function. So first of all, I will give the brief about the CTE and Windows function. So for that, I have in interviewer maybe ask you what is the CTE in a SQL, and can you give me the example of the CTE. So basically, this question may be asked for the 2 years experience candidate, or if you are the fresher, then also for the unique concept. So what is the exactly CTE work? How the CTE work in a SQL? So basically, the city is a common table expression. So is a temporary name result set that you can refer within the select, insert, update, and delete statement. So basically, common table expression is a temporary result set. So okay, so basically, it will be useful for the when you are doing the select, insert, update, delete this statement. Okay, so after that, common table expression city is a powerful SQL construct that help you simplify the query. Okay, so basically CT is the virtual table. Okay, so with the records and column that created during the query execution. Okay, so with by the query and delete after the query execute. So basically, city is a common table expression. Okay, so basically it is hold the result in a virtual table. Okay, in the form of the record and column, and is created during the query execution. And after the execution done, it will be delete the data from whatever the it will be in that. So basically, if you check the structure of the city, so basically the city it will be start with the with keyword. Okay, after that city name, and after that the column name, so column 1, column n, and column n. So after that, as after that, this is the body of the query definition, means in that we can write a query for the select, insert, update, or whatever as per the requirement. Okay, and after that, this is the block where we can call the city, whatever the data it resulted in this the query, it will be written in the city block. So if we check the block, so basically with after that the city name, and after that the city body. So basically this is a city body, and after that city usage. So basically usage is a means what, for example, if you want the data in a particular way, then you can access the data from the city. Okay, so it will be data will be hold in a temporary, and it will be basically city useful for the when we are writing the complex query. Okay, and when the query we are doing the work in a smaller data set, then it will be useful. So again, another question also interviewer asked that key, what is the difference between CT and temporary table. So basically temporary table also hold the data in a temporary basis. Okay, so but it will be stored in a temp db. When we create any temporary table, the data will be stored in a temp db, but for the city it will be virtually data will store, and after the execution it will be the deleted the data. Okay, so this is the difference basically. And for the syntax wise, you can also give the difference, like that city we can create a city using this way. Okay, and for the temporary table we can using the hash keyword we can create a temporary table. So this is the basic about the city. The For the next we will go for the function. So basically different type of Windows function available, okay, in the SQL. So basically Windows function, you can, if you check what are the Windows ranking Windows function, and explain the difference between the rank function and dense rank function. So basically this is a many time interviewer ask you this question. So if you're preparing for this the interview, then you can also do the preparation for this question as well. The ranking, it will say ki data will be arranged in the ascending or descending order, and it will be also grouping the data. So for that, basically first the rank function is the row number. So row number function, it will be assign a unique row for the each record. Okay. After that, the rank function. So rank function also work the similar way, but it will be same rank to the row with equal value and leaving the gaps. Means after the it will be assigned the rank. In between, if is there any the equal value, then after that it will be leaving the gaps. Okay, so then the dense rank, so assign the same rank equal value without the gap. So it will be not give the any kind of gap, the resulting in consent to the rank. Okay, so then the fourth is a NTILE. So basically NTILE function is used for the when the order by the dataset into the number of bucket, so indicated by the expression, and assign the appropriate bucket number for the each row. So I will detail explain you how the rank function will work in when I will show you the practically. So basically this is a syntax for the Windows function. So we will write the Windows function. So Windows function, for example, row number, rank, and dense rank, whatever it will be. So after that all, then after that the expression. After that this is the over clause. So in a over clause, either we can use the partition by, and after that the partition list, and after that order by. So after that we can use the order list. So this is the one of the syntax for the for the ranking function. Okay, and this is the table. So I will explain you this table in a detail. So for that I will go to my the SSMS. So I have created one employee table. So as I show in this table, so employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. This is a table. And if I apply the different ranking Windows function, so for example, row number, rank, then dense rank, and NTILE, then how the data will be the return. So for that I will explain you one by one. EMP. So it's use test database. So if I run this query, then this is the employee table, and I apply the different ranking function on this the table. So first of all I will taking the all the data, and after that for the row number, so first Windows function row number, then I will over. So basically I will use the over clause. After that order by. So for the salary in a descending order, and I put aliases as. So row number. Okay. So if I run this query, then I will get the data. So basically, what I will do, this is the employee table, and I want the data will be order in a salary, in a descending order. So that means ki whatever the top of salary, it will be in a first. So for that, the data will be arranged in a ascending order. So based on the salary, so there is a 60,000. The salary will become first. After that, 50,000, and after that again the 50,000 data, and after that the 40, 30, 30, like that. So row number, basically it will be arrange the data in a the each row, it will be show the unique value. So row number one, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, based on this. So then second, the Windows function is a so rank function. So rank, or after that order by salary, you know, descending, and as I put rank. So I will execute this query. So basically rank function, it will be also arrange the data in a row wise, but it will be if you check the data like the rank for the 60,000, it will be 1, and it will be grouping the data based on the salary. So the 50,000, the same data it will be arranged in the same the rank. For example, 50,000 the 2, it will be rank will be 2. So after that there is a 40,000 data, but for that it will be assigned the rank is a 4, and after that 30,000 and 30,000 it will be for the 5 rank. So I will execute the dense rank function, and after that I will be I will explain the difference between the both. So dense rank, after that over clause, after that order by salary, descending, and after that I will close and I will put aliases dense rank. So I will execute the query. So if you check the rank and dense rank function, so I will explain you in the next after the NTILE in NTILE, then over order by salary TESC, then analysis. So in this we need to, for the NTILE function we need to pass the parameter. So I will pass as a 2. So I will execute the query and I will copy this result, and after that I will explain you the difference between this the Windows function. So I have copied this query. I have copied this output. So basically, if you check the row number function, here I will put the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So basically, this is the total the 6 row. Okay. So for the 6 row, it will be. So if you check the row number, so it will be the assign the unique the value for the each row. So for example, for this row it will be assigned 1, for this row it will be assigned 2, then for the 3 and 4 and so on. Okay, so this is a simple the row number function. Then coming for the rank and days rank. So basically, the rank function will be the assign the unique value for the each based on the salary. So basically, if you check the first record is the 60,000. So this is the one record only. So for that, it will be assigned the rank 1. So that means we are arranging the data in a descending order. So the for the first row, it will be assigned 1. So after that, the next the row will be different value. So it will be assigned the rank 2. Then the next row it will be also the same value as previous. So for this it will be assigned the same rank. Okay, so it will be 2. After that, next row it will be assigned the 4. So if you check the difference, main difference is that key for the next row, when the it will be assigned the rank for the next value, it will be gap in between the previous rank value and next rank value. So basically previously it was a 2, and for the next row it will be assigned the 4. So if you check the row number 4, so the same value it will be assigned. For the next it will be assigned 5 5. So the similar way, the dense rank it will be doing the same operation, but it will be not it will not fill any gap. So it will be without the gap, it will be assigned the value. If you check, so for the 60,000 it will be rank 1, and 50,000 it will be rank 2. The third record, the same the value it will be rank also the same rank. Okay, so but difference is that key for the next row, when it will go for the next row, it will be the difference is that if previously it was a 2, the next value it will be 3. so it will be not give any kind of gap in between. So after that, the 4 4 for the similar the value. So this is the main difference between the rank and dense rank. So rank function, it will the gap, okay, and it will be assigned the value without the gap. Okay. So I hope you understood the difference between rank and dense rank. So coming for the NTILE, so basically NTILE, it will be creating the bucket. So as I show you the query, in this query I will pass the two. So it is a parameter. So basically whatever the row in this query, okay, so basically it is a six number of row. So what the entire function will do, so six row, it will be divided, it will be grouped using the two number of bucket. So if I execute, then if you check, so it will be created the three row in a one group or in one bucket. Okay. So after that, it will be next row, it will be go for the next bucket, and it will be for the indicating by the two. So when any situation is there, key that we need to, yeah, assign the same equal number of the row in a one group, and equal number of the row in a another the group, then the entire function definitely use for that operation. Okay, so this is the main difference between these three function. So in this question, it will be asked that, okay, we need to find the second highest salary from the employee table, and we can use a method like using the CTE and Windows function. So for that, I will go to my SSMS again. So I first of all, so in this employee table, we need to find the second highest salary. So using the Windows function, okay. So I will start the common table expression using the with. After that, the name of the city I will put as a CTE, CTE name. After that, as, and after that, we need to put as a the this is CTE body, and after that, select start from CTE name. Okay. So in between, I need to write a query. So using the Windows function, we need to find the second highest salary. So first of all, I will write a select start from employer. So if I run this query, and then I will get the same output. Okay, so basically, first of all, I have written the city. So the first step, so basically, whatever the data, it will be written in a city. Okay, so in the city, I need to use the Windows function. So basically, I will use for the Windows function as a dense rank. So dense rank over in that order by salary, and I put as R, right. Okay. So this is the rank. Based on the rank, the data will arrange. Okay. So I will copy this query. In the second step, we use a Windows function, and for that we use a. So this is the rank. We receive the rank. So basically, data will arrange in a the descending order, and whatever the highest salary, it will be come first. Okay. So 2 lakh 50,000. The data will be in a first rank. So but we need to second highest salary. So the it will be in a second the row. So basically, for that we need to filter the data. So again, I will come here. So basically I need to put the condition. So basically where we need to find the second highest, then I will put simply the rank 2. But if I want to the data in the third highest salary, then simply I will put the rank equal to 3, because of this is the data will arrange in the descending order and in a rank wise. Okay, one more the question. So why we not use the rank function for this? Why we use the rank function? So for example, in a question ask that key third highest salary or nth salary. Okay, so nth means fourth number, fifth number, so like that. So rank function not giving the any third number of or nth rank value, it will be skip the rank and it will be directly show the fourth rank value with the gap. So while the dense rank function, it will be sequence number of value without the gap. So if you check the table, in that the third nth salary value is there. So due to that, dense rank function is useful for the nth number of highest salary. So using this query, we can find the any number of the rank. So if suppose in interview it will be asked for the second number of highest salary, then simply we need to put the rank equal to 2. If suppose the ask that the first the rank, then just put the rank 1. And if suppose ask for the fifth number of salary, then you can put like this way. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any query, any question, please mention in the comment box. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also you can click on the bell icon, so when I upload any new video, it will be give you the notification. So thank you again, and wish you happy learning.